Catfish doesn't have to be fried to be delicious. Have you thought about adding it in your gumbo? I'm going to start off by sauteing my onions, celery, bell peppers, and we're just going to cook that until it's tender. Now I'm going to add the diced tomatoes, our okra, chicken broth, tomato paste, and our seafood seasoning into the pot and bring that to a boil. Now I'm going to add the catfish fillets, and we're going to let this simmer for 20 minutes. Use a food thermometer to make sure the catfish is at a temperature of at least 145 degrees. Serve it over brown rice and enjoy.